This is the unboxing of the KC10DFL Hitachi combo set. Okay, it comes with a nice carrying case. Nice carrying case with compartments, so you can see the tools and the items are set in their compartments and don't wiggle and wobble around. Okay, what do we have over here? This is the impact driver, WH10DFL impact driver, 12 volts. We'll have the review later on. Check our website to see the full review. 840 inch-pounds, a 12 volt Hitachi 1.5 amp hour battery. It's small, lightweight, feels really good, very nice. A lot of rubber all around. This green part is rubber. Got a nice lead. Direction control buttons is positioned nice. Check out the review later on. What else? Okay, and here we have the drill. This is the DS10DFL 3/8 chuck, 12 volt, 1.5 amp hour battery, lithium ion. Again, this one also feels very nice in our hand. Small, lightweight. Positioning of the buttons and the rings is nice. Speed control. Check our website for the full review. What else do we have? Another cardboard. Oh, a nice flashlight. That's part of the combo. This is the UB10DL light that takes the 12 volt battery on the bottom. We have the operating manual and a warranty card. A quick charger. And that's it. Oh, nice. There's also a drill bit set. Not drill, but a driver bit set with a quick connect, a 1/4 inch connect. And that's it. Seems very nice. Hitachi HXP lithium ion battery. That was a kit, the KC10DFL. Check out the full review at our website.